What's up? Mark from Straight to You Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now, so you have your Samsung Galaxy Buds, and they may not be charging very well. They may be kind of sticky, maybe a little slick. You're trying to hold them in your hands, you're seeing grease from your ears and stuff like that. Go ahead and just clean them, all right? They tell you to do that anyway. Clean your stuff to keep them sounding good and keep them charging properly. That's all in the books and everything. That's right inside the box. So just follow the directions. But you can do that, and your things can break real soon, and you won't have them in a year from now. They'll be broke because you didn't clean them. So I care for electronics, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So here's some of the things you're going to need. Let's put these to the side for a second. Here's what you're going to need first. Okay, I got this from Walmart, 91% isopropyl alcohol. Okay, this won't hurt the electronics. In fact, when you put this stuff on electronics, it almost evaporates under 10 seconds. So get you some isopropyl alcohol, 91 and below in percent. Next, need you a microfiber cleaning cloth. Okay, you almost get these anywhere. I'm not going to mention the stores, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, wherever, even a damn supermarket. Just get you a microfiber cleaning cloth from anywhere. It doesn't matter. Probably get them at dollar stores too. $1. Come on. And that's pretty much it. So you got your buds here. Like I said, go ahead and just pop it. Well, let's start with the outside of the case. You want to keep that clean because you don't want any dirt or anything getting inside your USB Type-C port, right in your hinges, stuff like that. Messing with anything. You don't want nothing to crud up on the back, messing with the wireless charging, things like that. You don't want nothing getting in between all these little gaps here, making it so it won't close properly. If it doesn't close properly, it's not going to be pausing your music when it's closed up, and they're not going to charge correctly, things like that. So we're not going to do nothing with the alcohol right now. What we're going to do is take that microfiber cleaning cloth, just start cleaning up the outside. Okay. Make sure it's real clean and stuff like that, and then you're just going to pop open the top here. Start cleaning around the edges and stuff. Okay, get the top too. I don't know if you can see that. See all that build up and stuff like that? See, I only had these for about a month. So you can imagine what another 11 months going to be doing to these damn things. All right, let's go ahead and pop the buds out real quick. Next, we're going to be cleaning the inside. Now, you see them gold pins in there? You got to keep those gold, okay? Keep them clean. Again, take your microfiber cleaning cloth. Get all that stuff out of there, and watch the poker pins. You're not trying to bend them when you're putting your finger in there. Just kind of go in there and just kind of touch around real softly. Kind of dig in there, each side. Okay, things like that. Okay. Next, we're going to get some of that isopropyl alcohol I was talking about. Pop that open. Just put a little dab, just a little drop on the end of your microfiber cleaning cloth. Go ahead and close that up. Now wipe down the entire thing. Okay, what you're doing here, you're disinfecting it, and you clean all that grease off and everything. It's, like I said, it's not going to hurt nothing. You're just going to be wiping the entire thing down, trying to keep it very, just real clean and real good looking. I mean, why wouldn't you want your electronics to look good? Check it out, it looks real good now, right? Except for the oil coming off my fingers and stuff like that, but real particular about that kind of stuff, wipe it off. Look at it. Look how the alcohol just evaporates. There you go, see? That's what I'm talking about. Do the same on the inside here. Just wipe it down. Top, bottom, sides, all that good stuff. And just kind of lightly dab in there on them poker pins. All right, good. All right, the charging case is done. Now we're gonna go over to the buds. Okay, let's go ahead and get another dab of that alcohol. Okay, pop a little drop, just a little drop. We're gonna start cleaning the buds, okay? Take whichever one, the right or the left, start cleaning. Start with those gold contacts first. Start wiping. Okay, wipe all around there. Wipe the bud there, get all that wax and everything off of there, if you have some wax on there. All your oils from your ears. Okay, wipe the little fin. Just wipe all around, you know. Especially wipe that touchpad right there. Just wipe all that down. All right, done with one of them. Let's get that left. Wipe it down. Like I said, you're taking the alcohol, you're disinfecting it. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but look at you probably can't see it that good on the camera, but I see a little bit of dirt. That's just all coming from your nasty ears, man. I mean, come on, our ears get nasty. We got oils and stuff in our ears. Our ears are like cups. You know, they just catch every damn thing. Dirt, get water when it's raining, then dirt's in the air collecting in your ears, and then you stick these in there. Why wouldn't you want them cleaned? All right? Like I said, clean the gold contacts, the fin, cushion, the bud, and go ahead and inspect it while you're there. Just go ahead and inspect it. Looks pretty good, right? Make sure it's silver down in there. Make sure it's not clogged up with any wax. While we're talking about wax, just keep your ears clean. Keep your ear canals clean. You don't have to worry about your earbuds getting messed up. I mean, these things are $130. Why would you want to just pack them and crud them up with earwax? I'm sure you want to do that. Anybody getting offended, man, I don't care. Keep your electronics clean. Keep your ears clean. That's what you grew up. Keep your ears clean. All right, so we got that. Got those done pretty much. All you gotta do now, inspect everything that you cleaned up. Looks real nice in there. All right, looks real good. You're done with everything. Just pop them in here. See the LED light right there? It's charging right up. Close it. You're done. That's pretty much it. So all you need is some isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cleaning cloth, and your hands. Clean up your electronics, clean up your Samsung Galaxy Buds, and they'll be charging, and they'll stay looking good, and they'll perform very well, as long as you keep them clean. That's all I gotta say. Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I'm out.